You see, I wasn't bullshit when I said house I grew up in had bars on the windows. See that? And honestly, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna keep it real with you. They cleaned this place up. Cause even though it looks a little bit rough, the truth is, see the garage, ain't nothing there. I'm gonna keep it real with you. Back in the day, it was a lot worse than this. They cleaned the sidewalks up. You don't see no cracks in the sidewalk. If anything, they cleaned this place up and all the stuff the old stuff that I grew up with. See, there you go. 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. There it is. See, I ain't gonna lie to you. But all that red thing wasn't there. It was just a fence. Then they used to tear that place up, man, bro. In fact, I'm gonna keep it real with you. Back then, we're gonna check the sidewalks out. They took the rat sign out. These had rats running around. Now, see, now that part's still a little bit broken up. There's a hole there, a little pothole there. But surprisingly, the sidewalk, ain't no potholes there. Man, they cleaned that up. I'm telling you, all this stuff used to be broken up. See, look at that. Even that's clean. The steps, the stairs, they cleaned the cracks up. The stairs used to be cracked up. See, it's not as bad as it used to be. I think the city came by and man, and cleaned all that. There wasn't no chair out there, none of that stuff, man. It won't allow me to go in the side view. Well, maybe, let's see. Oh, no, okay. Well, I'll tell you what. We gonna cover up. You see that? All that stuff was not there. There used to be a big bush there.